Can you hear that noise? There's a question as to whether or not that sound is coming from the power steering pump or the water pump or the alternator. Maybe a bearing is going bad. I'm not sure. But I'm going to take off one belt at a time and figure it out before it gets dark. This is going to be a multi-day event, tracing this down and then doing the repair, I have a feeling. Let's see what happens. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the outer belt that connects the power steering pump down to the engine and then up to this pulley. Okay, so that just leaves the water pump or the alternator. So let's take that off and see if we hear it then. 12 millimeter down there. Yeah. Then we've got a wing nut down in here. You have to loosen. Yeah. All right. When you have the water pump disconnected, do not run it for very long because there's no coolant circulating if you do it this way. Only a little bit at a time. Ah! No whine. Totally quiet. Alright. So it's not in my engine. It's not the power steering pump. I don't think it's supposed to make that sound. I think I've got something wrong with the water pump. So the next thing I've got to do now, obviously, with this thing being bad, is I need to take him off. And with that being the case, I'm going to be learning something new because I've never done this before. I'll do some research and find out and get my parts ordered. See you next time.